As soon as an offer letter has been accepted, reference requests are sent to the applicant's referees. Referees will receive an email requesting them to complete an online reference. Should they fail to complete the reference, then reminders are sent again on day 3, 7, and 10. Completion of the reference is secure, fast and confidential, and should take no more than a couple of minutes. As soon as the reference has been submitted, Novacare Recruit is updated. Any other checks, such as PVG or DBS check, can be entered into the system. When you are satisfied that all checks have been passed, you can approve the applicant. They will now become an employee and be found under Human Resources.